نعم تفضل.
Ustad, regarding the hadith of the Munafirin, to what extent should the Imam accommodate praying faster or slower? Because some people, one or two people in the Jama'ah might want it faster and the rest might want it longer. So to what extent, how should you figure it out?
Again to the hadith.
Regarding the hadith of the Munafirin, like they make it hard for the people.
Munafirin, okay.
They make it difficult for the people behind them. Some people, they always want the prayer to be really fast. So how do we make a balance?
يا أخوان المنفرين is the منفرين from not implementing the sunnah. If you implement the sunnah, forget about who's behind you. All right? So you are satisfying Allah and satisfying His messenger. From satisfying the messenger of Allah Azza wa Jal is that you don't really recite all the time قل هو الله أحد. That's not correct. قل هو الله أحد, and that's it. Or إنا أعطيناك الكوثر. Because the people like this. The people like even fast, for example, Tarawih prayer. Let's go on fast. You implement the sunnah as much as you can. So there's a sunnah which is the best and less than the best. For example, your garment up to the ankle, up to the half of the legs is what? The best. But it's no harm if you elongate your thobe until what? Your ankles, no problem. Okay? So now the thing is that let's say that you're reciting in Dhuhr Asr. You're making tasbih. Your tasbihah, for example, 20. People are behind you, really back and old. You make it 15, 10. But to make it one go, he likes it better. That's not correct. And sometimes people, they do it in a way that is not even, there is a tranquility. One day I prayed in a Darbandi masjid. And Sami Allahu liman hamida. I say Sami Allahu liman hamida, and he's gone. He's gone. After the prayer, I got the Imam. Brother, ya akhi, Allah yahfadak. He's got a turban. Allah yahfadak. Barakallah fiki. This is too fast prayer. You said Sami Allahu liman hamida. Just give us one, Rabbana wa lakal hamd at least. I get up from Sami Allahu liman hamida. I don't find you there. You're gone. You know what he said to me? You're going to laugh or not? He said to me, I thought you were going to say what the young people, he said, the old people want me to do like this. I said, old people? They must be going to the gym, these old people. He said, the old people want me to do this. That means as soon as you get up, go down. But this is only a person who is in the gym can do this. The old person needs time to get up, time to go down. You're telling me that they are mashallah like that? Allahu a'lam. I could be wrong. But anyway, so that is not satisfying the people. Satisfy the sunnah, and Allah will satisfy you. Okay, that's what it means. Now,
my question is on pledging allegiance to the ruler. Now,